5 affiliate marketing strategies that require zero audience to earn $10,000 per month. One of the most common complaints I receive from individuals who are interested in pursuing affiliate marketing is that they ask, "I am eager to begin, but you must have 1 million followers to generate revenue." I consistently reply, "No, you do not." However, the issue remains. How can I begin affiliate marketing without a following? In this video, I will disclose 5 strategies that you can immediately implement to initiate affiliate marketing without any prior followers. Today, we will examine 5 straightforward strategies that you can implement immediately to initiate affiliate marketing without spending any money. However, the time, energy, and effort invested will be well worth it. Therefore, without further delay, we will proceed to examine number 5. The 5th placement is achieved through the use of solo advertisements. Solo ads involve the acquisition or leasing of an email list to facilitate the development of one's email list and the eventual sale of affiliate products. In reality, the operation is exceedingly straightforward. You will navigate to a website, purchase visits, and subsequently direct visitors to your landing page. In exchange for their subscription to your distribution list, you will provide them with a complimentary item. You will utilize your autoresponder to send follow-up emails and promote a product or service after they join. You have the option to visit solo deals or locate vendors, and you will need to adjust these configurations by your metrics. Let us assume that we would prefer the initial option, simply purchase buttons as the subsequent action. For instance, we may declare that we intend to acquire 300 views. That will result in a cost of $132. We provide them with our link, and they will distribute an email to their audience of millions of email subscribers, promoting the opportunity. They will compose the copy independently, incorporate our hyperlink into their email, and commence the process of enrolling individuals into our mailing list. The exciting aspect of this is that we can begin to observe individuals on our mailing list promptly. We may even generate a few transactions. The sales will likely occur at a later date if you choose to implement this process. However, it is an excellent method for establishing a mailing list and earning revenue without the necessity of a following. The second method is actually through Facebook. I indeed employ a highly confidential approach to expand my mailing list and generate revenue on Facebook without having 1 million subscribers. In reality, it is exceedingly straightforward. Enter your niche on Facebook. For instance, consider canines. Press the Enter key, and then navigate to groups similar to this one. Participate in any of these organizations. Next, proceed to respond to inquiries. This process involves responding to inquiries that are logical, beneficial, and add value. We will not engage in a spray and pray approach. Rather, we will assist. Several events will transpire as you begin to incorporate beneficial content. One possibility is that the moderator or administrator of this Facebook group may designate you as a moderator due to your contributions to valuable information. 2. Individuals will desire to observe you as you incorporate additional beneficial information. Upon clicking on your avatar, they will be presented with your cover photo. For instance, my profile picture features the caption, "Hi, I am an affiliate marketing coach, assisting you in earning affiliate commissions automatically." Individuals who are interested in earning money online will select to initiate the process and observe a link to a landing page. And with that, I am simultaneously expanding my mailing list and earning revenue. Additionally, it is unnecessary to have a following to accomplish this. This approach is effective because you are assisting others. By assisting others on Facebook, you distinguish yourself from the 99% of individuals who are merely receiving. You are perceived as a subject matter expert, and individuals are interested in learning more about you. At the outset, I expanded my mailing list and Facebook group without any followers. This is how I did it. Launch jacking is the third method. A new digital product is introduced into the market on a monthly, weekly, or daily basis. Frequently, these creators depend on super affiliates to develop their email list, resulting in transactions that generate a 50% commission. You will leverage that energy and initiate the launch sequence to generate revenue. Muncheye is an example of a website that is frequently employed for launch hacking. Launches are executed daily. Neil Napier, a prominent figure in the industry, is set to release a product on November 17th. He will contact elite affiliates in the lead up to the release and offer them a 50% to 75% commission if they recommend his new product to their extensive mailing list. These super affiliates will distribute communications regarding automation and AI. You may even receive a few of these. This generates momentum, and individuals will access Google or YouTube to obtain additional information regarding this novel product. For instance, individuals who generate content may be observed when they conduct a YouTube search for simpler traffic by Munchai, a $2,000 course. This is precisely what you would do. Create a blog post or YouTube video, rank towards the top due to less competition, or utilize Google Ads to rank at the top for this keyword. This is a type of launch jacking that can be performed for free on YouTube, on a blog post, or through the use of sponsored advertisements. It is an excellent method for generating revenue in the absence of a following.
The fourth method is to purchase shoutouts on Instagram. There is a correct and wrong method to accomplish this.
The incorrect approach is to contact individual influencers who may not receive your message due to the high volume of direct messages they receive. A more effective approach is to utilize a website such as Shoutcast. Shoutcast facilitates communication with influencers through a more structured approach. You can identify influencers by their specialty, such as fitness, and subsequently examine all of the influencers in that niche. You have the option of selecting a 24-hour feed post or an Instagram story. Provide the influencer with the link to your landing page, and you can commence the process of constructing your mailing list. The exciting aspect is that you do not need to establish a following independently. You are leveraging the influence of someone who already has it. If this is successful, you may continue to engage with the influencer, as long as the offer is consistent with their niche. The fifth method involves employing Pinterest advertisements. I am fond of Pinterest ads because individuals visit the platform to make a purchase. By blending in with standard bookmarks, Pinterest advertisements are rendered less intrusive. Compose a blog post that includes your affiliate links, and subsequently construct a Pinterest advertisement. People are directed to your offer when they click on the icon, and you have the potential to earn money. Pinterest ads are cost-effective, with a cost per visit as low as 10 cents and a minimum of $5 per day. You are concentrating on individuals who are in search of solutions and are prepared to make a purchase. Solo ads, Facebook groups, launch jacking, purchasing shootouts, and utilizing Pinterest ads are the top 5 methods for launching affiliate marketing without a following. Having learned about these 5 methods for launching an affiliate marketing campaign, proceed to the subsequent video. As YouTube claims, it will assist in the expansion of your online business. In conclusion, starting affiliate marketing without a massive following is not only possible, but can also be highly effective if you leverage the right strategies. By utilizing methods such as solo ads, engaging in Facebook groups, taking advantage of launch jacking, purchasing Instagram's shoutouts, and running Pinterest ads, you can begin building your email list and making money online. Each of these approaches allows you to tap into existing audiences and create opportunities for growth without the need for a large social media presence. With persistence and the right tactics, affiliate marketing success can be achieved even without an established following. Now that you're equipped with these strategies, it's time to take action and start your journey toward affiliate marketing success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and keep the conversation going.